In today's video, I'm going to teach you create an MCC account and link a Google Ads account. If you manage multiple Google Ads profiles, a manager account, often called an MCC, lets you monitor, organize, and act across all of them from one login. Before we start, have the customer ID of any existing Google Ads account you plan to link. You'll find it in the top corner of that account, formatted as 3 sets of numbers. Also, be sure you're signing in with the Google identity you want to use long-term for management. First, head to the Google Ads Manager account homepage and choose Create a Manager Account. Sign in, then confirm you're using the Google account that will own this manager. Next, enter a clear display name. Pick something recognizable to teammates and clients like your company name, since this label appears in invitations and account lists. Choose whether you'll manage your own accounts, other people's accounts, or both. Then set your country and time zone. Take a moment here. Time zone influences reporting and billing cycles and is difficult to change later. So align it with the primary business location you'll manage. Click Submit. That's it for the initial setup. Your manager account shell is created and ready to connect sub-accounts. Now let's link an existing Google Ads account. In your manager, open the Accounts area, then go to Sub-Account Settings. Click the plus button and select Link Existing Account. In the field provided, enter the customer ID of the Google Ads account you want to connect. If you're onboarding several at once, you can paste multiple IDs, each on its own line, to send all requests together. Review for typos. A single incorrect digit will prevent the request from reaching the right owner. When you're ready, click Send Request. The current users on that Google Ads account will receive an invitation to grant your manager access. Let them know to watch for the email and to approve the request promptly. If they don't see it, have them check spam or review pending manager invitations directly inside their Google Ads interface. After they accept, you'll receive a confirmation and the account will appear under Accounts in your manager. From there, you can switch between accounts, set permissions, and begin organizing billing and reporting from one place. And that's how you create a manager account and link an existing Google Ads account efficiently and securely.